You are listening 12 Months to $1 Million by Ryan Daniel Moran. Ever wondered what separates those who dream about building $1 million empire from those who actually achieve it? Most entrepreneurs get stuck chasing the wrong things. They obsess over perfect products while ignoring the people they're meant to serve. They burn through savings without understanding the funding game. They launch without building a community first. But what if there's a clearer blueprint? A systematic approach that transforms ordinary business ideas into extraordinary seven-figure successes. The truth is, reaching $1 million isn't about revolutionary inventions or massive capital. It's about mastering three fundamental phases: finding problems worth solving, funding growth strategically, and scaling with purpose. Let's start with the foundation. Every successful venture begins with a simple realization. Your business isn't about what you're selling, it's about whom you're helping. Take Susie Battez, who faced multiple bankruptcies before creating Poo-Pourri. She didn't revolutionize chemistry. She understood women's embarrassment around bathroom odors. Her breakthrough came from identifying her audience first, then crafting a solution they desperately wanted. This reveals the first principle of million-dollar businesses: solve your own frustrations. When something annoys you daily, chances are it bothers thousands of others too. These personal irritations become your greatest business opportunities because you inherently understand the problem from the inside. Yet passion alone won't pay the bills. Your first year demands serious sacrifices. Forget regular paychecks. Every dollar earned gets reinvested back into growth. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being strategic. You're trading temporary comfort for long-term wealth creation. Now comes the funding challenge. Many entrepreneurs freeze here, believing they need massive loans or investor checks to proceed. But Dollar Shave Club started by simply selling surplus razors. They earned revenue, reinvested profits, and repeated the cycle. Self-funding through smart revenue management often beats external capital. However, debt isn't always dangerous. Strategic borrowing can accelerate growth when backed by predictable sales patterns. The key is distinguishing between smart debt that generates returns and foolish debt that creates burdens. If traditional funding feels overwhelming, platforms like Kickstarter offer alternatives that simultaneously fund development and build customer communities. Product launches require meticulous preparation, not rushed execution. Before releasing anything, cultivate an engaged audience hungry for your solution. One yoga company built tremendous anticipation by sharing their entire product development journey on Facebook. They showcased prototypes, discussed design challenges, and included followers in decision-making processes. When launch day arrived, they had thousands of passionate customers ready to purchase immediately. But single products rarely reach seven figures alone. Scaling requires expanding strategically, not randomly. Aubrey Marcus learned this while building on it. After creating Alpha Brain, his breakthrough nootropic supplement, he didn't just add more supplements. He studied customer feedback, identified related needs, and developed complementary products that enhanced the original's value proposition. The magic happens when you understand customer journeys intimately. Paul Miller exemplified this with Cozy Phones, designing comfortable headphones for underserved markets like children and individuals with sensory processing disorders. Instead of copying existing products, he dove deep into understanding specific customer needs and built variations that addressed different use cases within his core market. As revenue approaches six figures monthly, entrepreneurs face a crucial decision: scale further or prepare for acquisition. Scaling means reinvesting profits to reach larger audiences while maintaining quality and customer relationships. It's strategic growth that preserves what makes your business unique while expanding its reach. Jeremiah Klingman chose scaling with Tribe Fitness. He focused on maintaining product quality while amplifying marketing efforts and managing costs carefully. The result was sustainable growth that pushed his company well beyond the $1 million milestone. Alternatively, consistent high-revenue performance might signal optimal timing for acquisition. This exit strategy requires finding buyers who will nurture and grow your creation, not just extract value from it. Throughout this journey, remember that financial success without personal fulfillment creates hollow victories. As your bank balance grows, invest equally in personal development and life satisfaction. The goal isn't trading happiness for money, it's achieving both. Building $1 million business is less mystical than most imagine. It requires understanding your audience deeply, solving meaningful problems, funding growth intelligently, and scaling strategically. The entrepreneurs who succeed combine resilience with systematic thinking, customer obsession with strategic discipline. Your $1 million opportunity likely exists within problems you face daily. The question isn't whether it's possible, it's whether you're ready to commit fully to the systematic process that transforms ideas into income. Found these insights valuable? Hit like and subscribe for book summaries that could transform your thinking. The purchase link for 12 months to $1 million is waiting in the description, and we're curious, which of these concepts resonated most with you? Drop a comment below.